Good morning, traders. Welcome to our live trading session. Let's look for some targets from our basic strategy. We can look for other strategies as well, but I want to start from all-in ASAP because this strategy is very simple and very effective. So I've got my all-in panel right here. This panel is showing me daily targets, also previous day, week, month, high and low, clusters, imbalances, swings, and I've got also 4-hour mode, which helps me maximize the profits. Okay, let's check daily target. Let's see what is close to the price at this moment. The closest target is around 97 pips away, which is quite far. Okay, probably we won't use this target for now, but also we can check the other targets from different hours. Okay, let's check 9. I think this target is already done. Okay, Euro USD, according to our all-in ASAP strategy, nothing to do on here. British pound, we got target, which is lower. We are around 44 pips away from this target, and we can consider that target. We can look for some opportunities. So I'm going to try to find a rotation channel. I'm going to start from the top. I think this is working pretty well. We got some nice reactions from the top, and the price stopped over here. So there is a chance we're going to bounce from this edge of rotation channel. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this probably. So we are in a bearish rotation channel, and we can look for some short positions because we are at the top of this channel. So we got our targets right here. If we want to use this target from 1 hour time frame, we're gonna have to wait for the price to close under exponential moving average. Then we're gonna have a chance to open the position, but maybe we're gonna be able to do it a little bit earlier. We can try to use different setup, so we can mix the strategy. Basically, I can mix it with the smart money concept because we are looking at Asian session box. Okay, this is Asian session box, and this area is a liquidity area, and you can see the price got into that area and there is reaction. So this is our liquidity zone. The price went into this area and now we got reaction. So what we need to do, a simple setup, guys. This is a simple setup. We're going to use this trend line to enter the position, but first we need to break through this trend line, retest it, and we're going to have a space to open the position. The good thing is that there is reaction at the top of a rotation channel. Okay, all we need to do is to wait for the price to break through this trend line, and we're gonna go down. Asian session box. I've got Asian session box from the open of the day till 8 a.m. Polish time. So it's a 9 a.m. broker time, okay? So we might have a chance to open the position shortly. We're gonna look for the situation like this, breakout. We're gonna wait for reaction. We need to look at this imbalance here because this imbalance right here, the price will drop. We might have reaction and we might go higher. So we're gonna wait and see if there is gonna be reaction, and we're gonna try to wait for retest of this trend line. Then we're gonna go down. So probably stop loss will be like this, and risk to reward 1, 2, 3 maybe. I think we can do that. That's not a problem. So I'm gonna save the screenshot. So let's add this. Count the statistics now. Euro USD. We want to, sorry, this is not Euro USD, it's GBPUSD. We want to go down, so we want to sell strategy, probably basic sell. Lot size, I'm not sure about the lot size, the profit. We're gonna check that later. So I'm gonna put random prices for now. We're gonna change it after 0 to 2026. Open time. Risk probably 0.25. We're gonna check that. And let me just upload the screen. Price is moving in bearish rotation channel from higher time frame, and the price just stopped at the top of rotation channel. Okay, and then I'm gonna enter the position. I'm gonna save this trade. Trade has been saved. This is the first plan of today. GBPUSD, let's have a look. That's the plan. So we're gonna wait for that. I think this plan is pretty good. And the price is slowly going down, which is awesome, I can say. So that plan is for GBPUSD. Let's have a look at some other assets. I want to have a look also at USD CHF, because USD CHF also might be quite interesting. Yes, we do have a target, which is higher, which is around 38 pips from the price at this moment. We got target here. So basically, first thing what we need to look for is the market structure, okay? Market structure changed, okay? We got swing low right here. We got swing high in this place. Then we got swing low, and over here we got break of structure and change of character, okay? Here we got change of character. Okay, in this place, something changed. We got change of character. And now from now on, we are in bullish market structure. Guys, we got huge gap right here. Let me just refresh it. No, it's not. I thought we have a gap, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. So we got change of character in this place right here. From here, we are in bullish market structure, so we can check if we have any rotation channel. We're gonna start from the bottom, or maybe we're gonna change it to the top. This is a little bit flat, I can say. Find any place, maybe like this, maybe. And we are outside the rotation channel. We might retest it, and we might go up from here. So basically, it's not too bad. I want to check the other rotation channel, maybe something like this. Can we do it? I got only one reaction here, so this rotation channel, for me, it doesn't work. Okay, I think I'm gonna stick to the first option. We are outside, now we stopped. We can see reaction at this rotation channel. I know we are outside the rotation channel, but look, we got reaction, so why not to use it, this rotation channel, unless we can find something different, like maybe this kind of rotation channel. And is it working? It looks like it might be working. I don't like this reaction, this candle here. It's okay. It's okay. We can leave this rotation channel for observation. Okay, so I'm gonna leave both, but I'm gonna change the line. Okay, we're gonna do it like this. Trend line. All right, so we're gonna leave this rotation channel just for observation. I want to leave this one here as well. So we got two rotation channels, and basically this one and that one, it's looking okay. So what we need to see on USD CHF to open the position? Let's jump into 5 minutes time frame. We can add trend line. Why not? Trend line is always good. I like trend lines because they help me to make decisions. Simple lines, you know, but very powerful sometimes. So we got this kind of trend line. We got some nice reactions from the top. Right here, we got some reactions. So basically, we need to wait for the price to go up, retest it, and we're gonna try to get to this target right here. This is a rotation channel from higher time frame, and we got another one here. But look, guys, in both cases, we are at the edge of rotation channel, so this can be good options for us to open the trade. And the other option good for us is that we got into liquidity zone from Asian session. That's right, from Asian session. So we got into liquidity zone, and we got a chance to go up to this target. We can see now reaction, which is good. The only thing what we need is to break through this, let's say, trend line. And we got two options, more aggressive option and soft option, which means that if we're gonna break through, the candle will close, we can enter the position. First option, okay, more aggressive. But if we want to make sure that this is gonna work, we need to wait for the retest, and then we're gonna enter the position, okay? In both cases, entry will be in pretty much same place, okay? But let's wait. I want to check also volume levels, if we got any volume levels right here. Okay, now it all changed. I'm not gonna use the first option because we got a volume level right here. What does it mean? This volume level, there are some pending orders hanging over there. So we can expect reaction at that area. So if the price will get here, we may expect reaction. So we're gonna wait for that reaction. And after bullish reaction, we're gonna enter the trade to get to the target. Probably stop loss will be tight, and take profit we can get even 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. So we're gonna look for this trade. I think it's pretty good option. We got double to the bottom over here. We got equal lows. So why not? Let me just save the screen. Let me just prepare the account because we want to open the position, of course, because we want to make some profits. USD CHF. Let me just get prepared for this one. What about British pound also, guys? We're gonna have two chances, but probably I will pick only one. Why? Because it's similar trade. GBP, if they're gonna drop down, probably USD CHF gonna go up. Probably GBP is gonna be better option. Probably. And GBPUSD. Okay, we're gonna try to open the position on GBPUSD. Probably yes, maybe we're gonna set pending order unless they're gonna go straight down. If yes, we're gonna look for USD CHF to find the place to enter the position. At the moment, we can see reaction at the trend line. So let's go back to GBPUSD and let's set some pending order. GBPUSD looking good. Order, pending order. I want to set pending order somewhere here at this imbalance. That can be a good place to set pending order. Okay, and we're gonna go for price points minus 10. Okay, and take profit, stop loss for 1%, no, 0.25. And take profit at level 36511. Somewhere around here. So we got 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and we can get $7,793 of take profit. Let's try to do that, guys. This is stop loss and take profit. So it's 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay. Let me just find the USD CHF. You can see strong reaction right here at the trend line. And like I said, pending order can be good option basically, but here we got reaction at imbalance. So there is a chance we're gonna go higher. But when I'm looking at this imbalance right here, we got imbalance, bullish imbalance, then we got bearish imbalance. So probably this can be very nice option. I'm gonna set pending order, sell limit. Order is placed. So let's wait for the price to come back to open our position, and we're gonna try to get to that target from all in ASAP strategy. One more thing I want to check is this impulse right here. Perfect reaction, guys. That can be a little bit problem. This is a very nice reaction. I was expecting this reaction. Hopefully this reaction won't be too big, okay? It won't be too big. We need a small correction to this area, and then we're gonna look for bullish direction. Better option could be after comeback and reaction, because we could expect reaction at this level. I told you already about this, and we can go higher from this place. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it. It's looking good. These two imbalances, I'm okay with that. Let them just get into this area and let them activate the order, okay? Because basically we can have reaction right now, because this is some kind of support resistance zone. And we are retesting this area, okay? The order is not activated yet, and that's no good. That's no good, because we can drop now. And if yes, if there will be reaction, we're gonna enter the position, but our entry will be not that good as this one. I think we're gonna have to enter manually. This is unlucky, guys. This is unlucky. I think we should get a few more pips higher. It should be good. So what's going on with USD CHF? Maybe here? No, not yet. Here we need to wait. Gold is going crazy again. Today we done 2,600 pips. 2,600 pips, guys. That is crazy. Just today, crazy moves on this gold. We can look for entry on gold. Oh, come on. Why? I think we're gonna have to enter manually. Let's see. This is the last place. We got imbalance here, so we might have a reaction. If we're gonna pass this point and the candle will close, I will enter the position manually. Okay, probably a little bit smaller stop loss. This is 1 minute time frame. There is a reaction. Yeah, this is volume area. Well, I need to see the candle closing under this level. It's looking good, but the entry to the position is not the best. This would be the best, but they didn't open this position because of the spread. Yes, come on, react. We still might have a chance because of this imbalance. You can have a reaction, and then we're gonna go down. Let's wait, and let's have a look at our gold. This perfect reaction here. Oh no. That reaction is perfect. This one here. Anyway, let's check from the beginning of the day. All right. We're gonna look for this area right here to enter the position. But we need to wait for the price to drop down. So we need pullback, basically. I think we're gonna have to enter the trades. Shh, that's no good. Because our entry, probably we're gonna get 1 to 2 risk rewards. In this case. Okay, not yet. Probably I can move this pending order a little bit higher, because if we're gonna come back here, probably we're gonna get deeper. Okay, I changed it a little bit, a few more pips higher, because if we're gonna come back, probably we can get there. Slowly going up. And gold, we can make a plan on gold. Why not? I'm not sure if we have any rotation channel right here. Maybe yes, maybe something like this. So if we're gonna drop down maybe to this area, we might have activation of buyers right here, and we're gonna look for continuation. If we're gonna drop much faster, maybe we're gonna set pending order here, okay? Probably you can do it straight away. Okay, we're gonna set pending order on gold as well, with the small risk, okay? All right, let's move to gold, and let's find that area. This area is somewhere a little bit higher than this top 86209. Advanced pending order risk mode, price points percent, okay, 0.1. Small risk for this trade. I don't want to risk too much, because we are trying to get maybe 1 to 5, maybe 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. And I think we can leave the stop loss a little bit smaller, like this, with the take profits over here. Long position. Very tiny stop loss, guys. We will see. I'm gonna buy limits. Yes. Order is set, so let's wait for this trade. What's going on with GBP? Okay, it is activated in GBPUSD, so let's wait for that. Thing is, we got fail swing. This is 1 minute time frame. Okay, look at this, guys. Perfect reaction. Now let them drop. Perfect entry. If we're gonna drop now, we're gonna have sniper entry, guys. Look, the position is open, like you can see, and we got perfect entry into this position. Perfect. But we need to drop, of course. There is possibility that we're gonna go higher, but the entry is good. There was reaction at our entry, which is good. We got some profit already, $600. And let's go for full take profit, guys. We are trying to get, let me just show you, $8,000 on this trade. But we need reaction now, strong reaction. GBPUSD, perfect entry, very nice. How many pips do we need? Around 40. We need around 31 pips to full take profit. Okay, let's check gold. What's going on gold? Still going higher. Gold. AI volume. Okay, let's have a look. This area is also nice. The place where I had pending order, guys, it is nice, because this is also a volume area. So if we're gonna not break through, if we're gonna go down, we can expect reaction here, and this trade might be pretty good. So I'm gonna save this trade into the trading journal. Okay, I want to just add one more thing, like this. Stop loss is very tight and take profit 1 to 5. Okay, let's save the screenshots. Now I thought we're gonna have perfect entry, but they're coming back. Okay, no worries. We still got some space. And let's put that trade into the trading journal. Trading plan, add new trade, and that was gold. Want to go buy strategy. Lot size, we can check right away. Pending order is 0.77. 0.77. Profit, we are trying to get $5,000. Open price 4860. That is trading plan. Safe trade. GBPUSD slowly going down. It's good. Let them drop maybe halfway, so we're gonna secure the trade for break even, so we don't need to risk anything. At the moment we got nearly $1,000 profit, which is good, but we are not too far from the entry, so it's too early to open champagne, guys. Okay, let's have a look at some other instruments. USD CHF, not yet. Maybe we're gonna have a chance to open the trade later. USD JPY, do we have any cluster, targets? Not really, I cannot say anything close by. USD CAD, we have the target here. We got the clusters, but this cluster is not that close. If this cluster would be a little bit closer, probably I would set order for reaction, but because there's no cluster close by, I cannot do that. This is USD CAD, the market structure from 4-hour time frame, guys. It's still bearish. Yes. So I don't think I'm gonna use this target for now. And we are in some kind of support resistance zone. This is support for sellers. So it might be hard to get to this target. Might be. Okay, maybe if we're gonna try to add the trend line right here. After the breakout, we can look for a buy order because we can use Asian session liquidity. And I'm pretty sure we just grabbed that liquidity, 208. Yes, this is Asian session. And we can see liquidity grab here. We got reaction. The price stopped at the trend line. We will see how this gonna work. And maybe we can place the order after the breakout retest to get to the target. Might be a good idea. The only thing I don't like is this market structure from 4-hour time frame and this area right here. We got breakout. There is a chance we're gonna bounce again. USD CAD probably yes, using 5 minutes time frame, using one of our setups basic buy, but we need to wait for the price to break through retest because we got some imbalance here. So let them come back to this trend line and then we're gonna look for the trade. I'm gonna save the screenshot. The setup is pretty simple, guys. Anything else? Let's have a look at crude oil. Whoa, what's going on right here? 65 pips. Nice. But I'm gonna switch to trading view, if that's okay for you guys. AI volume. Okay, let's have a look at crude oil. I'm gonna remove some unnecessary things. And let's check 1-hour time frame. This area is quite important. If we look at 1-hour time frame, we stopped at support resistance zone, and you can see consolidation since yesterday, up and down, up and down. This is a battlefield, guys. Market might be waiting for later on news around evening time. We're gonna have API on crude oil, so we're gonna have some reports. Maybe then crude oil is gonna move up or down because we stuck here. So in this place, I don't want to open any positions. If we're gonna break through retest, maybe from higher time frame, we can look for some short positions. And of course, if we're gonna go up, we're gonna try to go this way. But probably for this situation right here, I'm gonna hold maybe till the evening for the news and look for some trades tomorrow. We will see. Maybe the situation will change later on. So maybe we're gonna have a chance to open the trade during afternoon session. We're gonna have a look at that. Okay, this is no good. Okay, let's leave it. Like I said, we're gonna get stopped or take profit. The entry was nice, but I cannot see continuation now. The problem is this reaction here. Nice, and we're going up now. Okay, let's leave it. We could pick the safe option on British pound because we could wait for retest and reaction of sellers. But I decided to open the pending order, which is more risky, okay? But I know the risk. Sometimes it's worth it. We're supposed to wait for reaction of sellers. We didn't wait for that. The pending order was set. It doesn't mean it won't work. Hopefully, we're going to drop down soon. So I'm going to just close it. And for now, I think that's it, guys. Another session probably we're going to have in about 5 minutes time on our Discord channel. So if you are part of our community, you can join Discord and we're going to continue trading and we're going to make some more plans, maybe on different assets. I got one trade open and the other one is set on gold.
It's time for the summary of the day. And today was the great day because we made profit of nearly $10,000 during live trading sessions. The first trade was opened during morning session and the profit was $7,814. And the other trade was opened during afternoon session with profit of $1,772, which gives us nearly $10,000 today.